Hi and welcome. So let's see the question of weird walk from May lunchtime. Okay. So question says that Alice and Bob are walking on an infinite straight street. Okay. Initially they are at x equals to 0. So let us denote by this. This is for Alice and this is for Bob. Initially they are at x equals to 0. Both. Fine. And they are starting to walk in the direction of increasing x. Okay. So this is the direction of increasing x. The speed of Bob is given by bi and speed of Alice is given by ai. Okay, so a0, a1, a2, they are walking. Now sometimes Alice and Bob walk together, that is with the same speed and side by side. So what is happening here is Alice is at 0, Bob is at 0. They see the speed, so speed of both are 1. So after this particular second, after this particular element of 0, they are both at 1, correct, because they are moving at the same speed and they are moving side by side. So this moving at the same speed and moving side by side is called the weird distance. Okay, so after this one Alice is moving faster, so it goes till 4 after 2 seconds, but Bob is just in 3. So here they are not moving side by side for the whole second. Alice is moving faster than Bob, so this is not the weird distance. Okay, now if we move forward, Alice is reached 7 and Bob also will reach 7 because he is at 3 and he will move at speed 4, so he will also reach 7. Fine. Here also you can see that, if you see here, that they are not moving throughout at the same speed and at the same, and they are not at side by side. Fine. Now if you see this 7, Alice will go to 11 because of 7 plus 4 is 11 and 7 plus 4 for Bob is also 11. Now you can see here throughout they are moving side by side and at the same speed. So this is a weird distance. So this was a weird distance and this was the weird distance. So total weird distance of this particular question is nothing but 5. So we need to know for each test case what is total weird distance and what is the weird distance when they are moving side by side. Okay. Also their speeds are same. Speeds are same with the same speed moving side by side. That is the weird distance. Fine. So in this test case the weird distance was simply 4 plus 1, which is equals to 5. Okay, this is what we need to calculate. If you see for the next test case, one more test case if you see, so it is given as 2 3 and 3 2, correct, 2 3 and 3 2. If you see this, from 0 Alice moves to 2, okay, but Bob moves to 3, so they are not moving side by side throughout and their speeds are also not same. Now Alice moves to 5 and Bob's also moves to 5. Okay, they reach at the same point but they are not moving throughout side by side and their speeds are also not same. So therefore in this one there is no weird distance, hence the value is 0 of the weird distance. And in the last one, Alice moves at a distance of speed of 3, Bob also moves at a speed of 3. So here they are moving at the side by side with the same speed, and then Alice goes to 6 and Bob also goes to 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6. So they are moving side by side and their speed are also same. So this is also a weird distance and this is also a weird distance. So total weird distance that they have covered is 3 plus 3, which is equals to 6. Fine. So we have to consider both the case, moving side by side and having the same speed. Now how do we do that? It's very simple implementation, that what they're given, just sum. Okay, so it is 1 3. So for example, this test case they are given to us, this is for Alice and this is for Bob. Now what we can do is, we can have two variables, sum A and sum B, that will sum up the distances. Fine. And in the case when sum A equal to sum B, we can simply check whether the speeds are also same or not. So that is area of I equal to B of I or not. So if these two conditions are true, we will increment our answer, else we will not increment our answer. We can increment the answer with area of I or B area of I. Okay, Bob's area of I. Fine. So because both values will be same if it is coming inside. So all the time just sum and see whether they are moving at the side by side or not. That sum will tell you, and then simply compare with other values, that is these two values. So if you just see here, initially sum A equals to 0, sum B equals to 0. Fine. Area of I here is nothing but 1, so sum A will become 1 and sum B will become 1 after this particular step, correct. Sum A will become 1, sum B will become 1. When both of these are 1, so they are equal, yes. So check whether area of I equals to Bob area of I, yes, both are same. So increment answer plus 1 with area of I. Fine. Now sum 1 will become 1 plus 3 4 and sum B will become 1 plus 2 3. Is the sum same? No. So there is no need to check this. Then sum, it will become 7 and this will also become 7. Is the sum same? Yes. So now check the speeds, but speeds are not same, so therefore it will not increment. Now sum, it will become 11 and it will become 11. Are they same? Yes, they are same. So check the speeds. Speed are also same? Yes. That means they were moving side by side and their speeds were also same. Fine. So a very simple implementation for this particular question. You just need to understand how they are moving. What we are doing at each and every step, we are just adding the total distance that they have covered. If the distance is same and their speeds are also same, then only then what we are doing, we are simply adding into our answer. Fine. So let's see the implementation for this. So if we see this, we are taking two arrays as the input. Fine. Then long sum equals to 0, sum b equals to 0, and answer equals to 0. Fine. Answer variable. Now just taking two variables to point to both arrays, one for a and one for b. Fine. If adding in sum a and sum b, if both are equal, then we are checking with our speeds also. If they are also equal, then incrementing our answer. Okay. If these are not equal, so this will not be checked. Fine. This will only be incremented if both are true, walking side by side, and the speeds are also same. And finally, we are printing our answer. Okay. So this was the implementation for this particular question. Thank you.